Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and what we'll be doing, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the lock on your door, guys, the cylinder door lock, or also known as door lock cylinder. Stay with us and we'll explain how to do that, how to remove it, how to replace it, all that stuff, guys. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 views, including, guys, this generation Dodge Dart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need any car parts tools, guys, you want to save some money on that, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get car parts and tools, pretty much anything, for super good price and very good fast shipping as well. So this right here is a 2015 Dodge Dart, and we'll explain now on the front left door how to remove or how to replace the cylinder door lock. Okay, that's what I'm talking about right here. Let's say yours is damaged. Okay, somebody damaged it, they tried to break in your car, you need to remove it, replace it. We will explain how to do that now, guys. So not very complicated. You open the door, and once you open your door, okay, you have one cover here that we need to take care of. Go ahead, remove it. Okay, perfect. So now once that thing is removed, here inside we have one bolt, okay, with Torx 25 star looking bit. Okay, you can see right here, this is the socket that we need. You can find, we'll have the link to the tools in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. Check it out. So we'll go ahead and get that, start getting that bolt loose now. Okay, we need to go a little bit to the right. Okay, let me see, because I can see it from this angle here. Huh, okay. Oh, right there. I thought I got the wrong socket for a second. It didn't want to go in. Good. So start getting it loose. At the same time, keep this one and try to move it a little bit, okay, to see if it's going to come off, guys. Okay, it's still tight, but it started moving a little bit. Okay, now a little bit more. Let me see now. Yep, just a little bit more. And it looks like, okay, it looks like it's getting, okay, that's it. It's getting loose. You need to open the door handle and pull it out. Okay, like that. The bolt that we were unscrewing, okay, it is right here on the inside. And you can see the cylinder, door lock, guys. Door lock cylinder came out. Okay, that's what it is. If you need to replace, put your cover on something else, you just need to pry it. Right here in the back you have 2 clips and 1 clip in the front. So start from this side. Okay, pry it and it will come out. So putting it together, you just push it in with the door handle open, push it in and get the bolt tight and install your cap. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.